Today, we're talking about 2 ways to generate thousands of AI images using Flux or Qwen for free. If you follow our channel, then you know we're always sharing free methods to run AI image and video models. That included using Together AI. But this past August, Together AI took away their free tier. Free credits upon signup? Gone. Free access to certain Flux models? Poof. Now you need to purchase at least $5 of credits to be able to even access the platform at all. But listen, breaking up with Together AI isn't so bad. Because honey, you're about to be swiping right on a new way to generate almost 1,000 images every day for free. In this video, we'll show you how to use Modal.com or Cloudflare's Workers AI with these n8n workflows to run Flux Schnell, Flux Dev, or Qwen image 100% free. It's our way of saying thank you to our viewers for helping our channel get to 10,000 subscribers. So if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. And let's get into how it's done.
This is AI Agents A to Z. For the first method, we are going to use Cloudflare Workers AI. With this method, you can generate up to 76 images per day. To get started, create a new Cloudflare account or use your existing one. In your account, click on your avatar, profile, and go to API tokens. Click on Create Token and select the Workers AI API token template. Select your account and click on Continue to Summary and create your token. Copy your token. This is ready to be used. Download the Cloudflare Workers AI sub-workflow and import it to your n8n. Open the first Cloudflare API call and add a new bearer auth. Insert your token here, and this is configured. Make sure to select the right bearer auth token in the Get Flux Schnell image node as well. To test it, add a new execute subworkflow node, select the Cloudflare Workers AI subworkflow, and add a prompt. Add the width and the height. Make sure to keep it below 1 megapixel. Execute the workflow, and we have our image. Let me also walk you through a different method that includes using Modal.com. By the way, we are not affiliated with Modal.com. If you create a new account and add your credit card, you get $30 per month as a credit to use on Modal.com. You can use these credits to generate images. Let me show you how to set it up. After you created your account, head to Secrets and add a new secret called Flux-app-secrets. Optionally, if you want to add authentication to your endpoint, which is recommended, add a new environment variable called bearer_token and add the value as an authentication token. Hit save. Let's open a terminal. On Windows, make sure you have VDSL2 installed. On Mac and Linux, we just use a normal terminal. Make sure you have Python 3 and virtual environment installed. Type Python 3-m venv and the name of your virtual environment, which in my case is .venv. We are activating the virtual environment by typing in source space your virtual environment name, which in my case is .venv/bin/activate. Now we need to install Modal. Run pip install Modal. Now that we have Modal, we need to set it up. This will open a browser. Make sure to authorize. Go back to your terminal. You see, this was successful. This was all the setup needed. Now we are going to start the application. We have prepared 3 Modal apps for you. We are using the Nunchaku quantized version of the models, which is more performant and has less memory needs. I'll show you how to run the Nunchaku Flux Schnell model. Just run Modal, serve, and the name of the Modal Python file, which is Nunchaku Flux Schnell in our case. After running it, it gives you a URL. Copy this URL and download the Modal n8n subworkflows that we provided. If you added a bearer token, make sure to open up the HTTP request node, select generic credential type for authentication, bearer auth, add a new one, and enter your token here. To test it, add a new execute subworkflow node, select the right subworkflow, add the prompt, enter the width and the height, and execute the subworkflow. The first image generation could take a while, but once it's running, each generation takes about 2 seconds. And our image is here. Let's try it again. Oh, so much faster.
Let's test the workflow. Remember our TikTok video generator for scary stories? Before, we used Together AI to generate the images. And now, let's replace it with our new workflow. Let's first test our Cloudflare Workers AI Flux sub-workflow. Hit Execute Workflow and choose our background music with our sample voice. Hit Submit and let it run.
Their footsteps echoed in the quiet, and every window they passed was dark.
Now let's test this with our other workflow, Modal using Flux Schnell. Let's execute the workflow, fill in our form details, hit Submit, and let it run. By the way, to get more workflows and cost-saving tips like this, join our no-code AI community on School. You'll get different video generation templates, our hosted media server, and of course, support.
Jordan's dad stood with his back turned, chopping onions with a big kitchen knife. Too big for the tiny cutting board.
Thanks again for 10,000 subscribers. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.